In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a label in Gamma presentation step by step. This is a simple way to customize your cards and make your presentation look more organized, more professional, and easier to follow. Whether you want to add a title, a small note, a section label, or a corner tag, Gamma gives you a quick way to do it right inside the card styling settings. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and log in to your Gamma account. Once you're inside your workspace, open the presentation that you want to edit. Gamma makes it easy to work directly on individual cards, so you do not need to search through complicated menus just to make a small change. Next, click on the specific card you want to edit. As soon as you select that card, look to the left corner and find the card styling palette icon. This is the tool that opens the styling options for that specific card. Click on it and you'll see a set of customization controls appear. Now scroll down until you reach the card headers and footers section. This is where Gamma lets you add text elements in different corners of the card. Once you find that section, click Edit. When you do this, Gamma will open the label customization area for that card. Just keep in mind that this edit feature is only available on a Pro plan, which is a paid plan. So if you do not see the option to edit headers and footers, that is likely because your account is on the free version. If you already have Pro access, you can continue right away. Once the editing panel opens, you will see customizable boxes for the top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right corners. These boxes are designed so you can place your label exactly where you want it on the card. Think of it as a simple way to add a branded tag, a section heading, or any short text you want to appear on the slide. Now click into the corner where you want your label to appear. For example, if you want it in the top left, select the top left box, then type in your text. You can add a short label, a keyword, a category name, or any small piece of text that fits the design of your presentation. If needed, you can also test the other corners to see which placement looks best for your card layout. The great thing about Gamma is that you can quickly adjust the positioning without rebuilding the entire slide. This makes it really useful for polished, modern presentations where small details matter. After you type in your label, make sure it looks correct and fits the style of the card. Once you're happy with it, save or close the editor depending on the interface you see. Your label should now appear on the card exactly where you placed it. And that is how you add a label in Gamma presentation. It's a fast process once you know where to look, and it can make your cards feel much more organized and visually refined. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Gamma tips and other software walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.